Hi friends, today we are going to start the very first chapter of class 12, Reproduction in Organism. It comes under the unit Reproduction, which consists of three another chapters like Reproduction of Angiosperms, Reproduction in Human and Reproductive Health. On our first chapter, Reproduction, where we are going to study on what reproduction is, what are the modes of reproduction, and how unicellular and multicellular organisms are going to reproduce. So, starting this chapter, Reproduction in Organism, we are going to explain the term lifespan of an organism. What is the lifespan of an organism? It's a period from normal birth to natural death of an organism. It's like every organism will be having a lifespan. There will be a birth and death of organisms, and lifespan can be again mentioned with two yet another terms like maximum lifespan and average lifespan. What is maximum lifespan of an organism? It is a maximum age attained by a single individual of a species. If you are saying for human, we will record the age of the ladies or the gents who have attained maximum age, and according to our records, a French lady called as Clamet has attained 122 years, which is considered the maximum lifespan of human. It's only a recorded data. We can't really rely on that because recording of age has started only on a recent 100 years or so. And if you are seeking what is the average lifespan, this is the most relevant data that's required for recording a lifespan, as it is the maximum number of ages, the maximum number of people who have attained a particular age group, and this is termed as average lifespan of an organism. If you are saying that for humans, will be around 60 to 70 years, and it varies for different organisms. It never depends on the size of an organism. For example, if you are saying a crow and a parrot have almost similar size. But if you are seeing their lifespan, a crow have 15 years of lifespan, whereas a parrot have 150 years of lifespan. And also, likewise, the lifespan of different organisms vary. First of all, seeing some plants like rice plant, it is having only a lifespan of 3 to 4 months that we grow in paddy field. And what about a rose plant in our garden? It will be around 5 to 7 years. And what about the plant or the tree that's having the longest lifespan? It is rosewood, which have a recorded lifespan of 3,000 to 4,000 years. Now looking to some of the examples of animals. First of all, butterfly. It have an average lifespan of 1 to 2 weeks. Our fruit fly, which will be around 30 days. And which is the animal which is going to have the maximum lifespan? Yeah, it's tortoise. It will be around 150 years. Now we have defined what lifespan is, maximum lifespan is, and an average lifespan of an organism. Why in a chapter like reproduction we have to mention lifespan of an organism? Yeah, like lifespan of an organism is really having a great correlation with reproduction. Since we know that every organism have death, like organisms lives from a particular time, there should be reproduction so as to sustain that species. If all human beings consider that we are not going to reproduce for the next generation, then what will happen? The species will go for an extinct. So lifespan and reproduction is correlated by this, means like reproduction is always necessary for sustaining life on earth. Now, I'm going to check what is a reproduction. We have studied in our younger classes that reproduction is a process by which an organism produces its progeny of a similar kind. Yeah, what is a similar kind? Means, if I'm having a baby, is it going to look like me? No, it's exactly not like that. It means it will be of the same species. As if a man can only produce a man or baby human, and a monkey can only produce a baby monkey, not a baby human. So reproduction is the process by which an organism produces progeny of a similar species. And what are the types of reproduction? Yeah, it will be asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction.